Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for difficult exams step by step. First, thoroughly understand the exam's format and content. This means knowing what topics will be covered and how questions will be structured. Next, create a realistic study schedule. Allocate specific time slots for each subject, ensuring you cover all material. Finally, gather all your study resources, including lecture notes, textbooks, and any supplementary materials, before you begin. Once you have your materials, engage in active learning. Instead of just rereading, try to recall information from memory. This strengthens your understanding and retention. A great technique is to explain concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This highlights any gaps in your knowledge. Also, practice regularly with past exams or sample questions. This helps you become familiar with question types and identify areas where you need more work. To maintain momentum, break down large topics into smaller, manageable study sessions. This makes the material less daunting and easier to absorb. Remember to take regular short breaks, perhaps every 25 to 30 minutes, to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Crucially, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain good nutrition. These are vital for optimal cognitive function and sustained focus during intense study periods. As the exam approaches, dedicate time for a final review of all key concepts and formulas. Don't try to learn new material at this stage. Simulate exam conditions by taking timed practice tests. This builds confidence and helps manage your time effectively on the actual day. On exam day, arrive early, stay calm, and read all instructions carefully. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.